you've never solved the Rubik's Cube before, it might seem impossibly hard, but this video will show you how to solve it in under 10 minutes, or maybe. Firstly, you get right side on top. Look for a edge piece like that. Maybe, yeah, and then get that. Turn it onto the white side. Do that with every edge piece you find. Once you've done that, get the corners. So this is a corner. Just do turn left, right, then down, then just repeat that. And you can do that with every corner. Yeah. Once you've done that, you get the edge. If you have two, that's good. And get a so what colour is that? Yeah, that's green. So get a corner that's green. Do up, just do up, left, down, then turn it onto that side, and then, well, you can't do this because that one's blocking the way, so instead you just turn that way and then do that, and then to put that one you just do just the same technique. Then you should have that green bit, then get the green middle piece, yeah, and then that one's done. But orange. Now if you don't have the middle in there, this is the technique. Turn the middle up and then turn the top one left, then put it back down. That's orange. No, it doesn't go there. So if it's orange, it should go there. So you do the move technique, right, then down, then just put this one back, and yeah, you just do that with every corner. Once you've got all the colours lined up, you get the colours matched to the middle. So red, red, blue, blue, orange, orange, green, green. And then turn it so that the white side's on the bottom and the yellow's on the top. Then turn it diagonally towards you. This is the bit where it gets tricky. So this is where we make the second layer. So check for any green pieces on the top. No. Maybe check for orange. Yeah, there's one. So that's not orange and green. It has to be that colour and that colour. Now this is orange and green. So the green bit has to go on the green side. And then you do this specific moves. Up, left, down, right. Turn it over. Up, right, down, left. Then just repeat that. And then you should have this done. Then you just do that with every edge piece. Also, if you can't find it on the top, maybe it's in another one. So if it's orange and blue, that's orange and blue. So to fix that, you just do up, left, down, right, up, right, down, left. But only once that time. Then it should be just on the top. Okay, once you've done that, you get it. So once you've done the two layers, you get the yellow on the top from anywhere. Turn the front that way, then do up, left, down, right. And if it's made a line, turn it horizontal, then turn the front right, yeah, until it makes the cross. But that blue's match with the middle, that red match with the middle, but this isn't. So to fix that, you just middle, you've almost solved the whole cube. But how do you get the corners? Well, just do these moves. I call this the fight pattern. Like right hand up, left hand up, and then just repeat that, but everything down. Right hand down, left hand down. If you don't have the right corner, there should be one that's correct. Then turn it so that that correct corners on the top right bit, and then just do that fight pattern again. And repeat that until the corners are all aligned. Once you have it so that it pretends you twist the corner like that, the yellow would go there, the red would go there, and the blue would go there. So it is in the right place, but not specifically actually turned. So to fix that, you turn it so that the white side is on top. Then you have to listen to this, or else you might mess the whole cube up. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. And repeat that until that corner's fixed. Then don't turn the whole cube, or else you'll mess the whole thing up. Instead, turn the bottom. Then do up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Turn that again. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Yeah, and then that's fixed. Then up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. And there. You solved it! And remember to subscribe.
3, 2, 1.